This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peppermint hard candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured out and your workspace prepared. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. Also, get a baking sheet ready by lining it with parchment paper and lightly spraying it with cooking spray. A reliable candy thermometer is essential for success. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water. Stir this mixture over medium-high heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the syrup to boil steadily until your candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for the candy's texture. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully, but quickly, stir in 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. If you want that classic festive look, now is the time to add a few drops of red food coloring. Work swiftly, as the candy will begin to set. Pour the hot mixture onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it gently if needed. Let your candy cool undisturbed on the baking sheet for at least 30 minutes, or until it's completely firm and brittle. Once cooled, you can break it into smaller, irregular pieces using a mallet or the handle of a knife. Store your delicious peppermint hard candy in an airtight container at room temperature. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.